Hey, everybody. You know, the whole AI world is just changing so fast, literally day by day. How do we keep up with it? Now, I don't know if you heard the news, but Nanobanano just released a bunch of stuff, and the images are so much sharper and there's so much more available. I made this little infographic and I wanted to share it with you and just show you how easy it is to create images that will blow your mind. But first, I want to give kudos, and I don't know if you can see it. I follow this guy. His name is Reuben Hassett, and I'll put the link down below. He has a newsletter. It's free. I don't know how many times he emails, but his stuff is always top notch. He's just right on the money. And so he sent this out, and he was just walking through how do you create these images in Nanobanano. And he gave a bunch of examples, and I thought, let me just see if I can do it. I just followed his directions step by step. There's a lot more on here that I didn't demonstrate, and it was awesome. And one of his tips was he said you can paste in a link to an article or copy that article and just tell Nanobanano to create an infographic. And so that's how I got this infographic here. I'll put this down in the link also. So basically, how do you get started, and why do you want to use Banano, Nano Banana? And I'll show you how you can log into it. But basically, it is world-class photography. It's going to blow your mind. Another cool thing is it will actually keep your characters consistent. So what I mean by that is if you're trying to kind of do a little storyboard and you want this person to look the same, because up to this point, AI would kind of start I don't know, corrupting the images and they didn't look alike. Now it will keep them consistent up to 4K type of images, and you can upscale those images for free. They used to charge you a lot for that. The text is really getting good in the images. Who remembers the day? Seems like forever ago. It could spell anything. So it's just going to blow your mind. So how do you get started? You go to Gemini.google.com, and I'll walk through this with you in just a minute. You click on Tools, Create an Image, and then make sure it's in the thinking model. It probably will be. Mine just automatically. And then you just put in your prompt. Now I'm going to show you a couple little funny prompts. I mean, I don't know anything about photography. Some people, they know all these fancy words. I know nothing. I use my iPhone and I take a picture. That's all I know how to do. I don't even bother trying to collect prompts from people unless it was something very specific I was going after. I just type in, hey, make me this, and it does it, okay? But Reuben, he had 10 different ideas. I'm not going to go through the whole thing. You can read his article if you want. But basically, again, the sky's the limit. You can just do anything. Okay, so take some time and play around with it, and you'll have a lot of fun. So how do we get started? Let me just come back all the way at the beginning, and I'm going to just click on a new chat. So again, it's Gemini.google.com, and we're inside of here. You have this little sidebar that keeps track of all of your chats and everything else. And then right here in the middle, make sure it's set for tools. Mine is set for fast. I don't know what the difference is. And then right down here, create an image. Okay. And then it gives you different styles. Again, this stuff means nothing to me, but I know what I like. Okay, so here's like a little sketch, or I don't know, moody, whatever it is. Again, I don't know what half these things are. I just go with the plain old thing. Describe your image. So I'm just going to say create an image of Debbi Starr. Picture uploaded. Walking with her, we'll say, favorite AI bot. Okay, who knows? Like I say, mine are not very complicated. So I'm just going to, let me just find one here. We'll just add this image. Now this image, it's me sitting. So let's see what it does. And you probably can't see it. The little whirly gig is spinning around. Compared to what it used to be, super fast. So we'll just give it a couple of minutes here and see what it comes up with. You can create like multiple images at one time, so you could just let this work and then come back to it. And so here it is. I've created this image of you walking and smiling alongside your favorite AI companion. So there it is. Now, again, this picture was just me sitting, and now here it is with me walking. I mean, are you blown away by how good this is? Let me show you a couple of other images that I did. So this is, I just uploaded a piece of clothing here for one of my clients, and I know nothing about this genre, but I just said, take this image and put it on a hip looking guy about 20 years old. Now, how's that for complicated, right? I'm just going to collapse this so we have more space here. And this is what it came up with. I mean, like in seconds. I thought that was pretty good. My client said, well, let's get specific as far as what types of clothing he's wearing. So I said, okay, create a hip guy around 20 years old with this shirt, and he's wearing this brand sneakers and this brand jeans. And there it is. I mean, amazing. Now, get ready for something funny. Because I'm in one chat here and I uploaded that picture first, then I thought, well, let me get smart, and I uploaded this and I just said, give me a different outfit. I thought it would just give me a different outfit. Are you ready? Well, it did. Look at look at me. So I guess now I'm the hop old lady, the hop lady around the block here. I laughed when I saw this. I told my client I'm their new brand ambassador. So how's that for funny? So the key here is start a new chat. So if you're starting something brand new, just start a new chat. So the second one, how did I make this? I just uploaded the Reuben's article here. And I said, make me an infographic, and it did. And when you click on that image, it kind of makes it bigger so you can really look at it. If there's something you didn't like, if I wanted to change the color, whatever. And then I can just click right here to download the full size. I mean, it cannot get much easier than that. And like I say, I know nothing about photography. For those of you that are a lot more sophisticated than I am, I'm sure you can come up with all kinds of really sophisticated things to do with this. But anyway, here's your homework for today. Log into Nano Banana and just start playing with it. See what you come up with. Literally, it takes not minutes but seconds now to create these videos. So that's what I had for you today. Hope you enjoy it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. And who do you know that would enjoy some of my YouTube content? And let me know, what kinds of videos would you like? I'm all about automation, all about like tech tools like Go HighLevel, but also things connected with AI, because AI is here and we got to get on the forefront. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.